Hey, welcome back to Glow with Shelly. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to tell if your skin barrier is compromised and what to do to repair it. So when you have a compromised skin barrier, the products that you're using might not be working to the full potential that they could be working. So what are some of the ways that you can tell if your skin barrier is compromised? My beauties, the first way is that your skin stings and is irritated, especially when you're putting on products. So if you feel any kind of irritation or burning or stinging sensation when you're putting on lotions, your skin barrier is compromised, okay? That's the biggest way to tell. Another is that your skin is itchy, it feels drier, it feels tighter. You might also have some outbreaks on your skin. It might be super red. You may even have some dryness or some flakiness to your skin. All of those are signs that your skin barrier has been compromised and you need to focus on hydration mainly. So I do want to tell you that when your skin barrier when you're feeling these sensations, when your skin barrier is compromised, the first thing you need to do, step number one, is you need to remove every active from your skincare routine. And I don't care if you think, well, I can't waste my vitamin C. I need to have my vitamin C. I need to have my tretinoin. Yes, I want you to use your vitamin C and tretinoin, but I want you to use your vitamin C and tretinoin where they'll work, okay? If your skin barrier is compromised and you're throwing on products that are gonna compromise, that are gonna irritate your skin in any way, you are doing more damage than good. Your tretinoin is not gonna work if your skin barrier is compromised. Your vitamin C is not gonna work if your skin barrier is compromised. You have to heal your skin barrier because your skin, right, has that barrier in place to hold water in your skin, right? To hold moisture in your skin. And if that is compromised, moisture is leaking out of your skin at a regular rate, okay? When your skin barrier is intact, you don't have water leaking out of your skin. Anytime you have these kinds of issues, you need to immediately remove every active from your skincare routine. No vitamin C, no niacinamide, no tretinoin or retin-A. Like, you can't have any of that. In fact, I don't want anything in your skincare routine at all. Nothing but hydration. Okay, the second step to repairing your skin barrier is to focus on hydrating your skin. So I brought with me the things I like to use when I'm having skin barrier issues. It was like a week ago, maybe a week and a half ago. I washed my face and I was like, what in the world is going on with my skin? Like, what is happening? It was bright red, like bright red. And the other thing that it was doing was it was flaking, like peeling, especially around here. Like all over here. Well, it turns out I had used a new product. It was some kind of, I don't even remember what the brand was, but it was a green stick to calm the redness. And what it had done was something that was in it was probably alcohol. My skin hates alcohol, hates it. But it's in a lot of products because alcohol will make stuff stay. So it probably had alcohol in it, and I was a peeling mess. And I was like, oh my God, I have to stop everything. I have to stop everything right now. And so I did, and I focused. I even like changed my cleanser and everything. So that is what you are going to do. You're going to first remove everything from your skincare routine. You're going to change to a very hydrating cleanser that takes the dirt off but leaves all of the moisture and the oil in. And one of my favorites is the Advanced Snail Mucin Cleanser. This is $10, guys. It's in my Amazon store. Don't skip it. It's a great cleanser. This healed my skin barrier quick. So whenever I have skin barrier issues, I often get over them in about 3 to 4 days because I immediately start hydrating. I take every active out. I do all of these things and my skin barrier just rebounds quick, okay? So I start with that cleanser. Now in the morning, I use no cleanser. And if you have skin barrier issues, do not use a cleanser in the morning. You do not need to. Just rinse off your skincare with water. You have a skin barrier issue, don't strip anything else out of your skin right now. Water, pat dry, that's it. In the morning. At night, you use this cleanser. And then I'm gonna use a very hydrating essence. I like the Kikumasamun. That's a Japanese one. This has a ton of really great things. Fermented rice water. It's just so hydrating. It's got ceramides in here, like all different kinds of ceramides. It's amazing. This one's so hydrating. Now, the reason I don't use the Sukayaka one when my skin barrier is damaged is it does contain alcohol, like a very small amount, but I don't want to make my skin barrier take longer to heal, okay? So this is going to be fast. It's like $17 for this giant bottle. Guys, this has lasted me for 6 months. I'm not even kidding. It's so huge. It's huge. Right? So this is not going to be something that you're going to be like spending a lot of money on. So I do a double layer of this, okay? And then I go in with my Cosrx Triple Hyaluronic Moisture Ampoule. And I put this on. I then go in with my Snail Peptide Eye Cream because I want to make sure every part of my skin is like moisturized and hydrated and perfect. So I use that. One of the things I like to use if my skin barrier is compromised. So the other thing you can do is the Soothing and Barrier Support Serum by The Ordinary. This is $11. It's super cheap. It's bright pink like Pepto-Bismol. That's what I love about it most, right? And this has wonderful stuff in it. Centella Asiatica to soothe the skin barrier. This is just a really nice, soothing, hydrating serum, and it won't make your face pink. I promise. I promise. It's not expensive, and it's something that you can use like right after you use your hyaluronic acid. You can just put this on just to kind of soothe and calm your skin and help support that barrier to rebound and to repair itself so that it doesn't lose any of that natural moisture. And so that's all I do, right? Hyaluronic acid. I might use my Ordinary Barrier Support, right? But that's it. That's all I'm using. And then I'm going to use a really hydrating occlusive moisturizer. And one of my favorites is the Lipikar Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. You guys know I talk about this. It is a thick, and I mean thick moisturizer, but a little goes a long way. And this is like so wonderful for healing your skin barrier. Not kidding. So wonderful for healing your skin barrier. This moisturizer is thick, it's occlusive, it contains several skin mimicking ceramides that are gonna lock in all of that moisture and try to keep that and heal that skin barrier. And then if your skin barrier is really compromised at night, you could also, especially if you have a dry skin and you have a skin barrier compromise, you can always go with the CeraVe healing ointment on top of on top of your moisturizer. You can put this on, and this is almost like a Vaseline. It's just a very thick, it's like almost like a petroleum jelly. And this is what I use when I'm microneedling. I use this after microneedling. It's just amazing for healing the skin barrier. It's very occlusive. It locks everything in and almost has like a slugging effect when you do it overnight. So that is going to really help lock that all in. And you do that until you are not experiencing any more sensitivity, right? This is gonna take all of that sensitivity away. You are only hydrating your skin. So you're gonna wake up the next morning, you're gonna rinse off your face, and you're going to really just focus on moisture again. So you're gonna skip that vitamin C, all of that. You're gonna do your hyaluronic acid. You're going to put on your, more occlusive moisturizer, and then you are gonna keep doing that. And it probably takes, I would say it would take you anywhere from 3 to 5 days to really repair your barrier doing this, depending on how fast your skin repairs. Now, I do a lot of collagen stimulation, so my skin has a high cellular turnover. My skin repairs very quick. So you may take a little more time depending on how much cellular turnover you have on your face. So keep that in mind, because you need to keep doing this until you're not experiencing any more sensitivity for a day or two. Let me repeat that. You need to do this every day until you're not experiencing any sensitivity for a day or two. Okay? Then that next day you can start incorporating those actives back into your skincare routine. And I guarantee you're going to see better results when you do it that way. You will. You will see much better results, because when your skin barrier is healthy and when it's intact, your skincare products will work better. You will see the results better because you will have healthy skin, and your healthy skin will be using those actives to stimulate collagen production and to stimulate elastin production, but you're not going to have any of that if you have a compromised skin barrier. So there you have it. Heal that skin barrier, keep it intact so that your skincare products can truly work to their best ability. So stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I will see you next time on Glow Up with Shelly.